I'm gonna show you how to set your memory for your seats, your steering wheel, your rear view mirrors. It's pretty simple here on this 2006 BMW. It's a 530i. First thing what you wanna do is just get in. And once you get in your vehicle, you wanna close your door. You don't have to start it or nothing. Just put your key in and just hit this button without hitting the brakes. So once you do that, go ahead and set everything up. We're gonna mess with our mirrors. We're gonna get all of that stuff sorted. My other mirror. Okay, and my steering wheel, I'm gonna adjust that. So I'm gonna get it adjusted like I want it. Now I'm gonna move my, down here on the side, I can adjust my seats. So I'm adjusting everything the way I want it. Even my headrest, I can raise it up. And once you do that, you got everything the way you want it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out the vehicle so you can see. Here on the side, right here, just hit the memory button and then just press which one you want. We're gonna go with 1. And that's it. So if I move all of this stuff, you see I'm moving my seat forward, and I'll move my steering wheel down, and I'm gonna do the head part. I'm gonna go all the way down. So once I get in the vehicle, just hit my memory button and just hold it until it stops. Everything stops. You see my steering wheel being adjusted, and also the headrest went up. So once it stopped, you can let it go. So that's it. So if I take this forward a little bit, and it ain't gonna, if you got to completely hold it. If I hold it and let it go, it's just gonna go back a little bit. So I hold it until it stops making adjustments. Once all the adjustments done, that's your memories. So everything will be set back into your memory. All right. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.